Hi everyone, Brendan Fowler here from Fleetwear. Just want to have a chat to you today about one of the key features of our tracking platform. Quite often businesses will talk to us about their needs of tracking and knowing where their vehicles are, where they've been, how they've been driven. But one of the things they may not be thinking about is there a way that we can be told when our vehicles are due for servicing? So one of the great features of our platform is it actually comes as part of our package. It's no extra cost involved, and we can actually set up within the platform all of your vehicles, the current odometer readings, and then when they're due for a service, and you get automatic reminders to ensure that nothing gets missed. Running a fleet of vehicles can be expensive, we know that. So if there's a way that we can help reduce your maintenance costs by staying on top of your servicing, then it's going to serve you well in the long run and ideally save you money. Some really cool things that we can do with the platform. Things like inputting all of your fuel fillings and keeping track of your fuel expenditure, making sure that no vehicles are sort of spending more on fuel than they should be, making sure that you're keeping track of all of your maintenance costs and working out what it is actually costing you per vehicle. Particularly in small and medium businesses, sometimes that sort of data is not readily available. So if we can help you by saying each vehicle is costing you X amount of dollars per month to run, and see if you've got any outliers, that can really help rein in some of the expenditure and make sure that your vehicles have been treated appropriately, serviced on time, and that the maintenance program is up to speed. But like I said at the start, the best thing is there's no cost to this. It's just part of our service, one of the many value adds that we provide our customers when we take the time to listen to what you need, what's important to you, and not just giving you a dot on a map, but actually adding value to your business. So get in touch with us today and let me explain to you how our servicing module can help your business.